So we've got our course created, we've got our lessons in there, and now we're going to add some quizzes and assignments. So these are really cool options that you guys have available, and you can engage with your students, make sure they're understanding the information that you're teaching them, and it gives you an assessment along the way just to make sure you're clearly communicating to your students. So we've already created the lessons. Now I'm going to create a quiz. If you're not seeing the options that you want within your topics, just click this little drop down arrow and that will show you the lessons that you've created. And you can do that for any of your topics. And these will be really basic quizzes. Hit save and next. And I'm going to add a question. So there are a multitude of types of questions that you can add, from true false, open-ended, matching, ordering, single choice, fill in the blank, image matching, multiple choice, short answer, and image answering. So we're going to start with the basic true false. Answer is required. I can give a point value if I'd like, and we're going to add the options. And it would be true, and the correct answer, the question is, I can update my profile image in my dashboard, and the answer is true. All right, so I saved my options. So now I'm going to, and I've marked the correct option here, and I'm going to hit save and continue. And if I go over to settings, I can choose a time limit here if I'd like, which I don't want for this quiz. I can change the feedback mode. By default, the answers are shown after the quiz is finished. I can allow them unlimited attempts on each question if I'd like, or show the result after the attempt. I can choose the number of attempts allowed, which right now is 10, and a passing grade, which is 80, and the max questions allowed to answer. So this really doesn't apply for this question, but say I've got a 20 question quiz, and I say a max question number of 10. That means the quiz would choose 10 random questions from the 20 questions that I've created. So every time it could be different. That's what that refers to. So I'm going to hit save. And I can also go into my advanced options here, which gives you some additional options to choose. So I can choose my layout view. I can decide whether or not I want a specific order for my questions. I can choose a limit to the short answers or a limit to the open-ended answers. So I'm just going to click save. So in lesson number 2, I'm going to create another quiz just to show you another option here. And hit save and next. I'm going to add a question. And I want a multiple choice. And my answers can be only text, only image, text, or a text and image both. So I'm just going to do text. I'm going to add another option. And then I'm going to choose the correct answers. I'm going to save and continue. I'm going to select randomize, so that will randomize the answers that are shown. Come back into my settings. There's nothing I want to update here. So I'm going to hit save, and then I can close this out. All right, and again, I'm going to save my course, and we are ready to add the videos.